Good morning guys, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, open the settings, then find and select security, go to face and fingerprint unlock, and here at first you will have to provide some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, PIN code or the password. Let me choose pattern, so just enter the pattern that you want to use, click on next, and now re-enter just to confirm. Now manage notification content. I would like to hide everything, click on done, and now it's time to set your fingerprint. Just click on fingerprint, tap on more, I agree, and as you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your back cover, so all you have to do is to keep tapping here, just like this, to lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor till the fingerprint is fully added. Just keep tapping this way. And as you can see, it has been done. Just click on done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.